What are you working on?
We're working on the hybrid motor battery blower. I just took off the interior and I need to equip with it. Now I'm trying to take it out the car. Wait, this has to turn. And then now we're having to clear that out. That was what we were trying to get to. So now we have to clear out all the dust that was there and everything. And we put it all back together. All this cement and stuff in here is the reason why the fan isn't like working efficiently. It's cooling the battery, which is why, and it's like clogging it to where it won't run efficiently, and clean it out and air it out. And so we're cleaning it out and having to take all of it out. That way it'll cool down the battery properly. Is just about clean as we can get it. We're gonna reinstall it back into the car now.